Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to install Need for Speed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To access the game, you'll need to download the Steam application first. Download the application and create an account if you don't have one yet. Once Steam is installed, open it and navigate to the store by clicking on Store in the top left corner. In the store, use the search bar located in the top right corner to type in the name of the game you're looking for, such as Need for Speed Most Wanted. When the game appears in the search results, you will have two options. You can either subscribe for $6.99 a month or buy the game outright. Choose your preferred option and click on Add to Cart. Next, proceed to the checkout page where you can complete the purchase for yourself. After purchasing the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To install it, go to your library by clicking Library at the top of the Steam interface. On the left side of the library screen, find the game by scrolling through your list of owned games, then double-click on it to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, return to your library, locate the game on the left-hand side, and double-click on it to start playing. Enjoy your game. So that's basically how to install Need for Speed. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.